Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to continue with velocity banking to knock out $250,000 in debt. The way we looked at this so far was the HELOC, the line of credit in the car, and then the line of credit HELOC in the car. Now, the car is 0% interest rate, but given the fact that the line of credit is $40,000 and the HELOC is over $200,000, we did want to look at this just in case, and so we're not missing anything. What would actually happen if we paid the car off first, even though it's a zero balance? So let's get into this video.
Let's create a budget. Let's get out of debt. Let's build wealth.
Okay guys, welcome back. So in the first video we looked at the HELOC line of credit car, and then we looked at the line of credit HELOC in car. We know that the line of credit HELOC in the car is paid off just a couple months faster. So we're going to look at paying off the car first, then the line of credit and HELOC. I don't really see a need to reverse that order and make it a car, HELOC, and then line of credit, because we know that this method is faster. So we have $2,062 in the checking account. We are going to keep the checking account at $1,000. So starting with the car, let's look at this. And actually, before we do that, so since we're sending our cash flow to the car to start off with, we'll need to make sure we make this minimum interest payment on this HELOC. The cash flow will actually be $1,481.27. So looking at the car, it is $10,600, 0% interest rate, and we'll have a $400 payment. So the $400 payment plus the $1,481.27 cash flow will give us $1,881.27. So we did have the $2,060 in the checking account. We are going to keep that as $1,000. So if we add our cash flow, the $1,481.27 plus the month's payment of $400, so it'll be $1,881.27, and then we'll add that $1,062 checking account. So the first payment will actually be $2943.27. $2943.27. And then we have our monthly cash flow. And in month 6, we'll owe $131.65. Month 6, we take our cash flow of $1,881.27. We only needed $131.65. So in month 6, we'll have $1,749.62 left. Okay, so looking at the line of credit, month 1, we'll have our payments all the way down to month. And since we didn't take this out on the car, the taxes we're just taking out of this line of credit in October, and in December we have the 14 coming out for the timeshare. We go down to month 6. On month 6, we had the car paid off. We had $1,749.62 left over. We add the $500 payment to that. So on month 6, we'll have $2,249.62. $2,249.62 going towards this line of credit. So starting month 7, we will have the bills now coming out. HELOC is still coming out of this line of credit now. Income will go in, bills will come out. And then in April and October, we'll still have the $600 coming out. And then the $1,400 for the timeshare will be coming out in December. And we got the $600, and in December we have the $1,400. So we go down to month 22. We'll need 7265 and 77 to pay this off. So if we take our income 7387 and 45 cents, we subtract 7265 and 77, we'll have $121.68. So we'll subtract this 100, and then we need 500, so 21 something will come out of the checking account. We're at 478.32. So we'll go down to month 23. We're going to need 4890.16 cents. Our income 738745. We'll subtract the 4890.16. We'll have 2497. So we'll subtract 610 from this. That's 100, 500, 600, then the 10. Then we'll subtract the 1822, 93 cents. And then from the 215, we'll need 150.64. We go to August. We'll need 2506 and 46. Take the income and subtract the 2506.46. Subtract the 610. We'll take out 100, plus 500, and we'll subtract out the 1822, 93, 215, and the 2353 at G5. So we're going to need 120 and 19 cents. Okay, so we go to month 25. On month 25, we need 120.33. So if we take our income, 7387.45, we subtract 120, 33 cents, minus 610, minus 215. We have 100, 500, that's 600, plus the 10, and the 215. And we subtract out 18, 22, 93, and 2, 3, 5, 3, 25 cents. So we'll end up paying this off in month 25, and we'll have a total of $2265.94 left over. So if we come over to the HELOC, $500 being paid every month. We go down to month 25. So in month 25, we had left over $2265.94 plus the $500 payment. It's going to equal $2765.94. So $2765.94. Then starting October, we'll have all the bills, $600 for the taxes. So all the bills will now be coming out of this account. Income will go in, bills will come out. Income in, bills out. In December, we do have the timeshare. So if we jump down to month here in month 107, we'll need 62.40. Pay that off. Subtract the 65.62 and 40 cents. Gonna equal 825.05. So we'll subtract the 110. 100 is now gone. We no longer have the 500 HELOC payment because it's actually all just being thrown in here now. And we subtract the 18.22 and 93 cents. Gonna equal 1107.88. Jump down to month 108. Payment 3678.97. We subtract that from our income. Then we subtract the 110. We could take 100 and the 10. Subtract the 18.22.93. Subtract the 115. Then we subtract what's needed, 23.53 and 26 cents. That equals 792.71. Should have this paid off in month 109. So month 109, we need 793.15. So we subtract the 793.15, and we subtract the 110, and we subtract the 215. So we got the 0, 100, 10, and 215. And we subtract 18.22 and 93 cents. And we subtract the 2353 25 cents. So this is going to leave us in month 109 a balance of $2,093.12. So if we actually pay the car off first, there's going to be what, $290 difference, something like that. So it's also going to take 109 years, $209 difference. So, you know, this is kind of up to the person. I mean, if you want to go ahead and knock the car out, you could knock the car out, and then, you know, that's one less bill you have to worry about. Difference of $200 over, you know, so many years. So this would all be come down basically to the individual and how they, you know, want to do that. But you could technically just pay that car off first and then let it be done and out of the way, and then work on the rest of this. And again, guys, you know, it's a matter of dollars. It comes down to just how down to the penny you really want to get on these. But I hope you guys found value in this video. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Doing these things does push this video out to more people, which in return they can find this information and learn these concepts faster and help their family and their future generations. And I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.